What's up, YouTube? So let's go ahead and react to making slime challenge by the Kalogeras sisters. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy. All right.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are
Val, your girlfriend, Val, Centrell, Noah.
going to be making slime. Very highly requested. The reason why we haven't done it yet is because we actually did do it. Cut to the clip. Wait, we don't have to pause. Look at that.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
I just want to show how much borax. No!
Guys, I'm gonna be elbows deep.
Borax is so bad for you. This girl got like second-degree burns or something on her hands from pouring too much borax in her slime, and it burnt her hands. Yeah, be careful.
I'm gonna be knees deep in this slime. Like, this can't be healthy. Do you think I'm putting that much? Because look at this. We have to throw this out. No, it's not like it's terrible. We can't post this. We're being so cutesy to make this monster. Another group of useless girls who have no fucking talent. It looks like an iceberg. Y'all want our iceberg to happen? So, needless to say, it did not work out whatsoever. So we decided to go round 2 on this hoe. Can I say that? I don't think so. Round 2 on this. Because you know what? We used to be avid slime makers and we had a slime business.
Oh yeah, fun fact about us. Instead of just making slime by ourselves, we are gonna do competition. Me and Demetra better than challenging ourselves against others.
So who is our challenger? Guys, take a wild guess.
Noah.
Wild.
Special guest, guys. First of all,
Guys, guess
wait. Everybody wait.
Guess
Down
who
comment.
you think it is? Who do you think it is?
I can't be overly excited.
We got this baby right here. We got Jens, foamy hand wash, clay, baking soda, I don't know why, shaving cream, borax.
It's expired.
How could borax expire?
I'm gonna go do my makeup for fun. We'll have a great makeup
On the
session.
table, Noah. Yeah, don't. Detergent, cornstarch, beads inside this, whatever this is, and a clear bowl, contact lens solution, and scents, smells, smellies. These ones all smell super good. Wait, what is your guys' team called?
What's your team called?
Jelly, yeah.
Team Jelly Cat.
Get your dogs up, censor those. In the right corner. Get you ready.
Actually heavy as hell. Nah.
So, what's our team called?
We're just called
The winners. Our first round will be fluffy slime.
Who will make the fluffiest slime?
Who's slime
Second
fluffy?
round. Who will make the nicest slime? Just in general. We have all this shit. Who will make the nicest slime?
Okay.
Third round. Who will make the best clickies?
But first, we gotta take a spooky dookie. I'm sorry, nigga. What? Lele. A spooky dookie. Funny.
Quickie, take.
You guys are already at a disadvantage.
Yeah.
I just peeped. You must have watched my other video, didn't you? You watched that video. You had to watch that video when we was watching Scary Stories, bro. Cause dude said that a spooky dookie.
Because Noah wasn't about that life.
I guess I did. Actually,
W Lele in the chat,
Is
bro.
also very allergic to this.
yeah, I'm
You
very
are?
allergic to this.
Whose idea was this? Are you allergic?
I'm not allergic.
Alright. No, you don't need gloves. Come
I'm a
on, be a
surgeon.
man.
I'm a
Who can make the fluffiest slime?
Go. Who are we taking?
That's good.
You guys do whatever you want. Just
We're
don't
doing
look
it.
at us.
Guys, no peeking.
Hey!
So we get a fluffiest. Guys, I'm actually overheating.
Okay, we'll stop.
Maybe cool down.
Make sure.
Shut the fuck. Okay, there's a hair already.
Okay.
Fluffiest slime.
You know?
More.
I don't know.
More.
Guys.
My slime.
No, we're not putting hair. It's just, I'm gonna go with Mia. She was actually. Hey, bro!
Oh, Kaylee, I'm like, come on, bro.
Add some more.
Good job. Nah.
Hey.
Woo! I'm actually overheating. This is actually a lot of work.
Hey. You are.
Guys, this is so fun. This is my favorite video yet. Stop! Too much. Hey, what are you trying to do, bro? Whose team are you on?
Sunday always be looking good, man.
Hey, did you just peep?
No.
Okay, add some
More glue?
more.
Oh, it's my hair! No, it's not.
Yes, no, it doesn't need more. It's in my hair.
Okay,
it needs more
Keelia,
saline.
calm down. Yeah,
More saline?
Yeah, it's
Bro,
What do you mean?
Keelia,
take it.
Ali, look what Keilia's doing. That's not funny. That's actually, I'm gonna disqualify you from my team. This isn't a joke to me.
Ellie's
I
ain't
wasn't
gonna hold you.
Wait,
looking
Oh,
back.
damn, you're way hands on.
Mia, I'm on your team. Who's
got more
saline? You stop looking at ours. I'm not. I'm looking there. This is making me
Hair. Keelia, put your hair behind your head. Now this is just like a game. How many hairs can I get out of this? Oh my gosh.
Should I ruin it?
No, there's so much hair.
Whose hair is it? Keelia.
Damn, it smells like Badesi.
I think it's time for scent.
Yeah, you know what that means, guys. Whip out the scent bird. Whip it out. Hey, you got that full size. That full size.
Noah, you're getting it all over the place, and it's all over your hoodie.
Okay, options. Where's the third one?
We have 3 options.
Where's the third one? In my pocket. These are
I have Scentbird. Bro, I'm not buying that.
Monthly
I
subscription.
just got a whole bunch of stuff over here.
Every month.
Put it
show
in my
ya.
thing to make it smell.
It says Scentbird. I don't need that. Watch this. You feel me? Tough.
That's how easy they are to carry out.
These are
we got
Scentbird.
Scentbird. Uno, dos, 3.
How about the loser has to put this in their
I
hair?
know it already.
I like that idea.
Okay, tell us about.
Tell me my
Julia,
address,
we got-
please.
And this is Victoria's Secret Bear.
Okay.
So we're gonna put the little like scent undertones and overtones and
1, 2, 3, go
Midtones.
McDonald's
Okay,
Street.
hold
Y'all.
on. So we have 3 things that we could choose from. Should we do House of Bow? That is Arabian jasmine, pink pepper.
Jasmine
almond.
smelling
We have
anything
the
is
gun,
great.
not the perfume. That is Sadalux.
Whatever.
The last one we have is Victoria's Secret Bear, which is Egyptian violet. This shit is stuck on my hand. Egyptian violet, mandarin, and Australian sandalwood. I think this
I
is
didn't
like,
take any of that in, but it's giving Setalox vibes.
I'll do this Prada one. This is Prada candies. Dad, you feel nice.
Do I smell nice?
Yes.
So you open this baby up. This is like its protector. This is like the little baby scent. This is mommy scent over here. Prada. And then you get these little thingies in here, which isn't so little when you think about it, because it's actually a good amount of zhuzh in here.
We already did. You're gonna get it in my hair. Stop doing that. I promise.
Okay. Mix her up. And then our slime will smell good.
You mix like Noah.
And if your slime smells good, you can make yourself smell good, and you can keep this, you can travel with it, you can do whatever you want with it.
I just farted too, so you're gonna have to cover it up.
Last time I brought a perfume on my trip, I dropped it on the ground and it shattered and fell everywhere.
It was too big to fit in her.
It
purse.
was huge, and it was glass. So every trip that we've been on since we've gotten Scentbird has been amazing, because it's like, if you don't want the scent that's in here, you could do that and put it in your next
You
one.
could switch it.
Switch them up. You can use our code.
Kalogeras.
Get 55% off of your first monthly subscription of Scentbird.
Scentbird.
Oh yeah, wait. What scent did we use?
Blue one.
Okay. Blue and blue.
The
Never
blue
played
one.
with slime before.
Okay, that smells so good.
Good.
Not gonna lie, before it actually smelled like Badesi.
Badesi.
And look how fluffy this is, guys. Guys, we're winning. We've got to be winning.
Wait. What? No.
Keelia!
What even is this?
Like, okay, we're gonna do switch teams each
Why that
round.
be getting mad so quick?
No, I'm not being with
How
Kayla.
you-
That's so.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
Are you serious?
You guys.
Yeah.
Okay, you're done.
Fruits, because we're healthy.
Yeah.
I would always make the slime when we had our slime business, and Sunday would always make the videos for the slime, and Ellie would do nothing.
Gotcha.
No.
And Ellie would do nothing.
I feel the same way, Ellie.
Kara, we have to swirl it in
Okay,
3.
3, 2,
What is swirling?
1, swirl. Yes!
Way better than that.
Yes!
What are you?
Oh, okay, this
That's a
is
good thing, though.
Sunday and I's fluff. Don't touch it, Kayla. Don't touch it. Why do you have so little slime?
I don't know. I think it all went on Noah's shirt.
Okay, this is Ellie's, and this is ours.
Yeah,
There's for
No, no,
sure.
you're not. No offense.
Ready?
Like with your gloves, that's gonna look so bad.
2.
Oh. That was good.
Bro, where's your slime hands at?
There's a hair in it.
Okay.
Then this is ours. Noah, you keep on getting your hairs in it.
It's not mine.
Guys, be quiet. Ooh, okay, we won. I'm sorry, Ellie, we won.
It's okay.
Sunday and I.
Let me feel yours.
Because we're just better.
Okay, 1-1. 1-0.
Bro. Alright.
One. No, mine is fluffier.
Oh my god, yours is so fluffy.
Yeah, fuck you, bro.
No, but we still won.
Let me see that.
You won the swirl.
No, but we
100% really won. I'm sorry.
No. Okay,
Mine is so much more fluffy.
yours literally just feels like fluff.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I think we tied because our
No, we won.
That's not true. The challenge was fluffiest. And mine was
no,
fluffiest.
but we have to have a point system. How many points do you get for presentation? How many points do you get for thing?
You get 1 point for fluffiness. That's it. I got 1 point. You got 0.
I'll give Ali the benefit of the doubt, and she can win because we didn't regulate a point system previously. But the new point system is a point for presentation and a point for.
I found more hair.
Yeah.
Whose hair is that?
Okay, it's your hair. We're winning. I'm actually taking off my gloves. I don't give
I'm
a fuck
putting on
about
my
eczema.
gloves.
What is this round called?
Best slime
Okay,
in general.
easy peasy. This is what we're.
Guys, we're gonna move
Get
on.
Mokziee.
Okay, more. Bro, let's try to get no hairs in this.
That's like Mission Impossible.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much damn saline do we need?
Well, this is
Saline, you're spilling it.
Get some saline.
Okay, give me this.
No, we're using it. No, you can't take it out of our hand.
Just did, ho.
Nah,
more.
you guys lose a point for unethical.
Yeah, on ethics.
Yo, that's not the point system. Sorry.
Yes, it is.
We just made it to the point system. We are the
We
point
can
system.
add whatever we want. Okay, this ain't doing jack.
No, it looks like somebody just put ketchup everywhere.
You guys can't
Yo.
interfere. That's literally interference.
Do it. Shave it. Shave it up.
Yeah, add more.
Yeah. Okay, should we clean this
Believe
up?
in- No! Believe in teamwork. So do you want to squish it?
Yeah,
No.
give me that.
Oh god, he sucks at it. Why does he have gloves on?
Dad,
Dude,
don't-
look.
I told you I'm getting down and dirty. You're done.
Look, see? We're making the best slime.
This is good. Yeah.
Cornstarch.
From all of the videos of the Kalogeras sisters that I've seen, and they keep saying Noah this, Noah and Sunday this, I don't see it. I've literally watched most of the Kalogeras sisters videos. I have like a good 10 videos out of the whole whatever amount that they have that I haven't seen. And out of all these videos, I don't see a reason why they say that. You know, I'd never caught a Sunday and Noah vibe. Like, I think that's weird.
Noah!
Add more. Add like a lot more. Oh, not that much. I already know Ellie would have lost her mind if you did that.
I'd actually be dead by now. Is it a real shit though? Ours is so much better.
For real though.
There's a dog.
Go get the cornstarch, bro. But
Get
you
it.
be disqualified.
Go get it.
You be disqualified.
Yeah, no, you can get disqualified.
Okay,
You
let's put it away then.
You guys actually, yours looks
Put it
like
away.
rookie type of thing. Look at ours. Oh
Look at
my god, this is
ours.
actually the
That's
nicest
actually
slime I've
amazing.
ever had. Pass the cornstarch, I promise.
We need
Oh my
more.
god.
Noah.
You guys are actually cooked. I'm telling you right now.
No, this is the best slime I've ever felt in my life. What are we gonna do with all this slime, though?
That ain't that good.
Eat it. We should go down and eat it.
Don't need it to fucking
With the amount of hair in it,
They're gonna throw it out.
donate it to a hair salon. That is so funny.
What? Oh my days. Okay, we're cooked.
Okay, too much mess. This is ridiculous.
Why is this kind of cleansing?
Uh-oh. Okay, I think we needed actual solution, not more.
What's the solution?
Like, we needed more saline.
Bro, like, you're not
that.
the rookiest rookie on your team. You're actually cooked.
No, we'll play with slime like this. You guys actually look like the rookies.
Yeah.
Right.
I really need like some detergent. Can you put some detergent?
Where's the detergent?
Nah, you can't do that.
No, they're cheating. They're getting the beads out.
No, we're not. You're not allowed to use them.
Nah, yeah, we are.
No, you're not.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Hold up. I'm gonna do this.
Fucking amazing idea.
I love that idea, Kayla. Too much of a mess, guys.
No, we need more detergent.
Ooh, that's not good. That's not looking
grab
good.
the
Where's the detergent? Why is it in the sink?
Both cook.
Ours actually looks like Badoosie. Hold on, I need.
That was
we need to
winning
spice
at
it up a
first.
little
It's not winning anymore.
bit. I don't want to do this.
No, don't.
No. Okay, actually, yeah. We actually kind of need it.
Do it, trust.
But ours is like actually eating right now. Okay, good.
Yeah, smart. Straight borax. no water.
Don't even dissolve it.
Yeah.
This is
Should
eating.
put some of this in it too.
Yeah, I don't know what that
Baking
does.
soda.
We're doing a little bit of experimenting right now.
Yeah, Kayla, look at this and tell me right now you think you're winning.
100% we're
Okay,
winning.
mix that.
Oh my god.
You just can't get over that thing, eh?
Can you stop touching my whipped cream, please?
Okay. Oh
Whipped
my
cream.
god. Okay, no, what? I need more.
Detergent?
Yeah, detergent.
Why do you guys keep putting it in the sink?
Detergent now.
Okay, so we got 20 more seconds.
You used all of these?
No. No.
Wait, what color should we do?
Oh my god, rainbow.
Detergent.
Got more detergent?
Yeah.
I would if I could.
Your teammate really left to eat. Fuck.
She hungry. My teammate hungry.
Oh my gosh. My food.
What do we need?
Yeah, Ellie and them one.
Kayla, take a look at ours while you cry.
Yours looks like shit.
That was like dog water.
You guys are so wrong. Look at yours, bro.
You gonna tell me this was bad?
Oh my god, this feels terrible. Okay, don't touch our slime.
I use more foam.
Yeah, go grab the phone.
Noah is like the
I
maid,
meant the
bro.
styrofoam. It does not need more.
Oh.
How was he supposed to know
I
that?
promise your
You said
presentation is
phone.
gonna make us fun. Fluffy slime?
Okay, our slime is strawberry milk cereal.
What's that?
Ours is basically
Ours is
Brown.
fluffy. No. Ours is fluffy. No, there's two different slimes in here.
Okay, let's hear them.
That just made me
There
want
is
some
fluffy
slime, dog.
And Ellie.
Ooh, this is strawberry milk cereal. Okay, Kayla, you're still going, so I have to redo mine now. It deflated. Oh my god, that's terrible. Get me. Get me. She always used to get comments that she was too aggressive.
Does she actually?
Yeah.
Yours didn't sound like Jack either. Okay, now we have to test each other's slimes.
Yo!
What? You
Yeah.
just mean like that's an egg. Like this finger.
Okay.
yeah.
Kayla, this actually feels disgusting. Like, this is going straight. Throw this out. Throw this out. This I could sell.
Oh yeah.
No.
This I would buy.
Wait.
Look at this. I actually would ask for a refund.
If I got yours, I'd literally give you the worst review on Yelp.
I just told you right.
No, you didn't. Okay, I don't know what's in here, but it's making my hands like.
Throw it out. Trust.
This is good.
Okay. Our last slime.
Be on the.
So now Noah and I are on a team. Can we skip this team? I do
on
not
this team?
want to
No,
be
I
on the team.
don't
Noah.
get it.
Ow!
Noah, you're doing
So far in this video, guess who's the common denominator? She's very much the common denominator because she's won each time she's on the team. So let's see.
Last slime. Who can make the clickiest slime? Is that what it is?
Clicky? Yeah.
Come here.
Clicky sign? Alright. Easy.
Alright.
Easy peasy.
Can you get some glue?
Easy mother trucking.
the fuck?
We didn't have any sailors.
Are you gonna mix it? Yeah.
Can get the
Nice.
Yeah, yo. Ellie, I saw that. What'd you put in here?
Ellie, what'd you do?
Ellie, what'd you put in here? It better not have been hair. It better not have been
wasn't
hair.
hair.
I can see it.
It wasn't a hair, I promise.
Well, there's hair in this then. Okay. This is a weird angle.
Yours are actually cooked. Ellie, yours looks like dog water.
50 seconds.
Can I hear?
50 seconds. We need color
You
and
50
scent.
seconds? What are you laughing at?
The way that you're doing it.
That's just how Noah moves.
I
Noah moves like
got it, buddy.
Actually, all I know is that we deserve to win.
Y'all deserve nothing.
Okay. You have to swirl it. You have to swirl it.
Okay,
put
swirl.
these together.
Wait, I got it.
You can.
together.
You can.
Yeah, I can.
The timer was up.
Okay, you're swirling right now. Okay. Okay, is that count from 5?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I know.
Not even do anything.
Demetra, the common denominator, once again.
Okay, look at that. Okay, who wins the swirl?
Oh.
Yours actually looks crap.
Crap.
Okay, and then this is ours.
Thoughts are my clicks. I won in the click department.
Definitely aggressive. This is funny.
We just
Because
are
we put
like,
borax in it.
no, we put dish soap.
We put something in it.
We put
It
dish
actually
soap.
smells like shit though. Yours smells bad and ours smells.
We need to
Ours smells good.
I'm literally the slime queen. Actually, it's fine.
Yours smells like a shark on a stick.
That's right, baby. That's right, baby. Oh, hey. Bye, guys.
Oh, that's soap.
Bye. Okay, last round. Noah left. He's
Right here.
No, Demetra's doing yellow, worst color because she's the best at making slime. I'm doing blue, and then Ellie's doing red, and we're gonna see who's gonna make.
This is our bonus round since Noah had a skedaddle. Okay, guys, like, chill with glue. I like how I'm gonna leave you guys to clean this up by yourselves.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm cheerleading.
It's not even right.
No! Yeah, could you put some more activator in mine?
I'm not helping you, no offense.
Yeah, could you pass me some activator, please? No. Bro, I'm here to win.
I promise you I'm gonna win. Like, this slime actually eats hard.
You think that, but really? Have you ever cornstarched a baby? Because I'm about to do that.
What? Okay, when is the timer gonna go off? Please tell me someone set a timer.
Hey Siri, what's the timer at? Bruh.
That's my phone! Gross! There's no timer! Okay, for 2 minutes.
Hey Siri, set a 2-minute timer.
I don't have Hey Siri.
That's Mia's phone.
That's my phone. Which
You don't have a Hey Siri? Like, who doesn't have a Hey Siri?
Right.
scared. Like, how do they know when you're saying Hey Siri? That
I
means that
like
they're
this
listening.
the sound.
Hold
Or I have this,
Siri
and he
doesn't
said the
even know
sound sounds
listening
crazy.
stuff.
No, for
They
sure.
just don't reply to it instead.
Yeah, because you put shaving foam in there, all your beads are gonna fall out.
I don't believe it.
Okay, you'll see, bro. Like,
Why would you tell me after?
because I'm here to win.
When you're enough, get someone some slack.
No.
I'm about to bake this potato.
What? Ooh, I feel like baked potatoes.
Can you make some, please?
Yeah, I can put them in the air fryer.
You know what I don't understand? You lied to me. You said it's gonna fall out, but it just made it way more fluffy, way more delicious looking.
Shut the
Can you get that away from my
Bye.
face?
This is
Why
the
she
best
low-key
slime
with
I've
my
ever
wish?
touched.
Oh my god, wait, that actually looks really good.
No! I'm actually so mad.
Is this red 40?
Probably.
Don't keep that out, Mia!
Oops. Sorry, I didn't mean to.
This is actually the best slime I've actually touched in my life, and you just messed it up. It's official, I won.
You didn't pass the swirl test yet, though.
Oh, I most definitely did.
We haven't done it yet. Why do you sound like that? Most definitely.
Stay away from my slime. I'm not even joking. I'm actually like
Look at
terrified
Ellie's
over it.
slime,
You guys
bro.
actually can't make a better slime than this.
Bro, I've been thinking of better slime.
Yours actually looks like trash. I'm not even joking.
Bro.
How much longer is it? It's not!
I mean, I
No! 19. No! Ellie! Pink! 14. 12.
I can't.
Wait, 13. 12. 8. 7. 6.
Why does not activate
5.
it?
Ah, no! 4. 3. No, 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 no!
You have to do it. You have to do it. You have to do it. You have to do it.
You're cheating! I'm waiting for you! You're cheating! I'm even
Go, 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 go. You guys are cheaters. No, you guys are cheaters.
Okay,
You guys
I
are
won.
cheaters.
Mine won. 100% mine won.
But you didn't think yet.
Ellie!
That's okay. I think I won.
The
That's
sour!
so rude. I wanted to keep this slime. Let me swirl it. Let me swirl it. Let me swirl it. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let Kayla. Let go.
What color do you think it'll make?
Let's guess. I think it's gonna be shit brown.
I think it's gonna make like a purple.
Stop! You're so. I swear on my life, I just want to punch you.
Put some sunburn.
Bro, that remind me how I am with my sister. Like, you just pissed me off. Now I want to fight you.
Buzz.
So
We're done. We're done. We're done.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this. I hope that it was entertaining. Thank you, Sunburn, for sponsoring this video. We absolutely love all the scents.
Whoa, what is she doing? Did we not go to skate past that?
This, I hope that it was entertaining. Thank you, Sunburn, for sponsoring this video.
Ellie.
We absolutely love all the scents, and we're so excited to receive next month's subscription package.
You guys could do too if you use our code Kalogeras to get 55% off your first monthly
She looked like a child, a toddler.
subscription.
Oh. Let us know what you guys wanted us to do next in the comments below. Make sure to follow our
Two fingers, one of the stink, one of the pink.
follow our Snapchat or thing. It's all over me.
Just keep going.
Make sure to follow our Snapchats. We'll put them up there. And like,
I'm gonna
comment,
suck myself.
subscribe. Bye.
W video, man, this was absolutely a funny video. Now, it could have definitely been better, don't get me wrong, but it looked like these was one of their old videos when they first started. But still, what a funny video. If y'all like this video, go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if I should react to the other 10 videos that I haven't seen of theirs, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bitches lost souls, and I know it. Fucking with the